If you are managing sales, customers, or a growing business, choosing the right CRM can make or break your workflow. Most people get vTiger CRM wrong by thinking it's just another contact management tool, but the surprising truth is that vTiger offers a full suite of features designed to automate sales, marketing, and support in one platform. vTiger CRM allows you to track leads, manage deals, automate workflows, and analyze performance with built-in reports. You won't believe what happens next. Teams that use vTiger often save hours of manual work while improving customer engagement and follow-ups. Getting started is simple. You can use the cloud version or self-host the platform. Add your contacts, import data from spreadsheets or other CRMs, and set up workflows to automatically assign tasks, send emails, or trigger alerts. The upside is comprehensive functionality. vTiger combines CRM, project management, and help desk tools, which is rare in one platform. The analytics and automation features are excellent for small and medium businesses looking to scale efficiently. The downside, some users report that the learning curve is steep, especially for non-technical teams. Customization and advanced automation may require some trial and error. The interface can feel a bit cluttered compared to simpler CRMs. The surprising truth is that vTiger is powerful for businesses willing to invest time learning it. Most people get frustrated initially because they expect a simple, out-of-the-box solution, but once set up, it can significantly boost productivity and customer satisfaction. If this honest review helped you understand vTiger CRM, subscribe for more business software reviews and tips to optimize your sales and customer management workflow.